I'm sure you've heard the news about superfoods. These nutrient-packed foods have been making headlines for their incredible health benefits. From boosting immunity to enhancing brain function, superfoods are celebrated for their ability to improve overall well-being. But today, we're diving into a specific superfood that has some unique benefits for women, particularly when it comes to fertility. But have you heard how persimmons can be a game-changer for women? Yes, you heard that right. This vibrant orange fruit is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can support female fertility in remarkable ways. Persimmons are not just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that support female fertility. Imagine biting into a juicy, sweet persimmon and knowing that you're also nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. It's like nature's way of giving you a sweet treat with a side of health benefits. Rich in vitamins A and C, they help regulate hormones and improve egg quality. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy reproductive tissues, while vitamin C is known for its role in collagen production and immune function. Together, these vitamins work synergistically to create an optimal environment for fertility. Plus, their high fiber content keeps your digestive system happy, which is crucial for overall health. A healthy digestive system ensures that your body can absorb all the nutrients it needs, and fiber plays a key role in this process. But that's not all. The benefits of persimmons go beyond just vitamins and fiber. Persimmons are loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your reproductive system. Antioxidants are like the body's defense system, fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. By reducing inflammation, antioxidants help create a healthier environment for your reproductive organs. And let's not forget their natural sweetness, making them a tasty, healthy addition to your diet. Unlike processed sugars, the natural sugars in persimmons provide a quick energy boost without the crash. Plus, their sweet flavor can satisfy your cravings in a healthy way. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a few persimmons. Incorporating them into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to salads, or even use them in desserts. The possibilities are endless. Your body will thank you. Not only will you be treating yourself to a delicious snack, but you'll also be supporting your overall health and fertility. It's a win-win situation. And who knows, this sweet fruit might just be the natural boost you've been looking for. Sometimes, the simplest changes in our diet can have the most profound effects on our health. By adding persimmons to your daily routine, you might find yourself feeling more energized, balanced, and ready to take on the world. Stay healthy and stay hopeful, ladies. Remember, taking care of your body is the first step towards achieving your health goals. Whether you're looking to improve your fertility or just want to feel your best, persimmons can be a valuable addition to your wellness journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. We have plenty of exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned for more insights into how you can live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, take care and enjoy those persimmons. Welcome back. In this chapter, we're diving deeper into the nutritional value of persimmons and uncovering why this fruit is a true powerhouse of health benefits. Persimmons are not just delicious, they're packed with a variety of nutrients that can support your overall well-being. First up, let's talk about vitamins. Persimmons are particularly high in vitamin C, a vital nutrient that plays a key role in immune function and skin health. Just one persimmon can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs, helping to boost your immune system and keep your skin glowing. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. But that's not all. Persimmons are also rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for eye health, immune function, and skin integrity. Vitamin A supports the maintenance of healthy vision and can help prevent age-related eye conditions. It's also essential for maintaining the health of your skin and mucous membranes, acting as a first line of defense against infections. Next, let's discuss the mineral content. Persimmons contain important minerals like potassium and manganese. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting muscle and nerve function. Manganese plays a role in bone health and helps in the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and cholesterol. And don't forget about fiber. Persimmons are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and can aid in maintaining a healthy weight by keeping you feeling full longer. A diet rich in fiber is also linked to a reduced risk of developing various chronic diseases, including heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Moreover, persimmons are loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect your body against oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating persimmons into your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense against harmful free radicals. So, how can you enjoy these nutritional benefits? It's simple. You can eat persimmons fresh, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into delicious desserts. The versatility of this fruit makes it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. In summary, persimmons are a nutrient-dense fruit that can support your immune system, skin health, digestive function, and overall well-being. By adding persimmons to your diet, you're not only enjoying a tasty treat, but also nourishing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Stay tuned for more health tips and insights on how you can lead a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep enjoying those persimmons and stay healthy. Welcome back! Now that we've explored the amazing nutritional value of persimmons, it's time to talk about how you can easily incorporate this superfruit into your diet. Persimmons are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, whether fresh, dried, or cooked. First up, let's talk about enjoying persimmons fresh. Simply wash the fruit thoroughly, slice it up, and enjoy it as a sweet and juicy snack. You can also add fresh persimmon slices to your morning yogurt or oatmeal for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. Next, let's dive into salads. Persimmons add a delightful sweetness and a vibrant color to any salad. Try tossing sliced persimmons with mixed greens, goat cheese, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and nutritious meal. Smoothies are another fantastic way to enjoy persimmons. Blend a ripe persimmon with a banana, some spinach, a splash of almond milk, and a handful of ice for a delicious and nutrient-packed smoothie that will keep you energized throughout the day. If you have a sweet tooth, you can't go wrong with persimmons in desserts. Bake persimmons into muffins, cakes, or even a classic persimmon pudding. The natural sweetness of the fruit means you can reduce the amount of added sugar in your recipes, making your treats a bit healthier. For those who enjoy cooking, persimmons can be a wonderful addition to savory dishes as well. Try adding diced persimmons to your favorite stir-fry or roasting them alongside root vegetables for a unique and flavorful side dish. Don't forget about dried persimmons. They make a great portable snack and can be added to trail mix, granola, or even used as a topping for your favorite cereal. Incorporating persimmons into your diet is not only easy but also incredibly rewarding. With their delicious taste and impressive nutritional profile, persimmons can enhance both the flavor and health benefits of your meals. So go ahead, get creative in the kitchen, and start enjoying the many ways you can include persimmons in your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy. Welcome back. In this chapter we'll discuss some potential side effects and precautions you should be aware of when consuming persimmons. While persimmons are generally safe and beneficial, it's important to understand how to enjoy them safely. Firstly, persimmons are high in fiber, which is great for digestion, but consuming too many can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, or even constipation. To avoid this, it's best to enjoy persimmons in moderation, especially if you're not used to a high-fiber diet. Next, for those with allergies, it's important to note that although rare, some people may be allergic to persimmons. If you experience symptoms like itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming persimmons, seek medical advice immediately. Another point to consider is the tannin content in unripe persimmons, which can cause an astringent taste and may lead to digestive discomfort. Make sure to consume ripe persimmons, which are sweeter and easier on the stomach. Additionally, persimmons contain a high amount of natural sugars. While this makes them a delicious treat, those with diabetes or blood sugar concerns should monitor their intake to avoid spikes in blood sugar levels. Lastly, if you are on any specific medications, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding new foods to your diet, including persimmons, to ensure there are no adverse interactions. By being mindful of these precautions, you can enjoy the many benefits of persimmons without any unwanted side effects. Remember, moderation is key. Thank you for joining us in this chapter. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay informed, stay healthy, and enjoy your persimmons responsibly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes.